So right now, we are headed to the gym. Gotta give me a haircut. But hey, right now, we headed to the gym, so we gotta get in shape and work on some of this belly here, alright? Gotta get it right. Gotta get it right before Thanksgiving so your boy can eat real good. So with that being said, let's go. Now y'all know, I gotta hit y'all with the cold start because that's what I know y'all love, and guess what? I love it too. So with that being said, let's get this cold start, baby. You gotta love that. All right, let's get to the gym. That's the side of that cold start, baby. Now let's go. Don't be playing. Black Eagle don't be playing.
Julio, 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 Julio. I'm from Atlanta, you throw me the ball and I score in the zone. They hit me up for a deal like it's something I do on the phone. Just cause it's me in the studio don't mean I do it alone. Julio, 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 Julio Jones. I'm from Atlanta, you throw me the ball and I score in the zone. They hit me up for a deal like it's something I do on the phone. Just cause it's me in the studio don't mean I do it alone. 8 deep in a Uber X on the ride and new watch, but I still ain't know where the time went. I can't even tell you which city I reside in. Full-time job, but that joint just a side gig. Don't get it twisted, I did it for kids who look up to me. Yes, I've been cooking, probably too I get the cutlery out. Got in the music, and usually that's what they fussing about. Too many points on the board, the future shut. I'm from Atlanta, you throw me the ball and I score in the zone. They hit me up for a deal like it's something I do on the phone.
These little tire valve caps, we are going to change them because as you can see, a tire cleaner has, or wheel cleaner shall I say, has changed the color in them. I really like them, but you know, I guess it was just too strong for it. So we're gonna replace those with these. You see those there? So yeah, we're gonna get these on here and do a quick little install, and we'll get to it. So thank you guys for tuning in. Let's do this little quick install real quick. A little tiny modification.
I've been in the zone now.
Yeah, this right here, this is what it looks like. You guys can see that. Yeah. Looks like it came with a little key holder right here with the M logo. You guys can see that. We're on the back of Black Eagle, by the way. As you can see the carbon fiber wing here. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. But yeah, so we have that there. But this is what we're installing today. These little tiny M caps right here. It's gonna make a world of a difference. It's all about the little things. The little modifications add up. It's all about paying attention to detail. So we're gonna do a quick install on these very quick. Let's go. So we're gonna take this one off. A little oldie but a goodie. And as you can tell, man, it really changed color, huh? Look at that. These were black, by the way. So yeah, it really changed colors. Put that up there. See it, carbon fiber wing, baby. Man, thing's beautiful. Now let's install this new bad puppy right here, the new M. Let's get this one on there. Like such. Oh man, look how much better that looks already. And I got these off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below, so you guys are interested in them, you can get them. They also have them in regular M, like not regular M, but they also have them in the regular BMW logos. They have them in different colors. You can do like a black and white theme. You can do the traditional BMW colors, that black and blue and white. They have some red ones. They have some silver ones. So if you wanted to do some type of color match with your rims, you can do that. So I'm gonna leave that link in the description below. You guys click on that. It is a Amazon affiliate link, so just giving you guys the heads up on that. You are helping me out when you click on that link and you shop through that link. You're really supporting the channel. We're not monetized on the channel. I'm providing you guys with free content. I don't know if they're putting ads on it or not, but I'm not putting any ads on it. So if you don't mind, if you are interested in those, click that link below, do some shopping on Amazon, and I really appreciate that. Well, with that being said, let's get back to completing this install, and I'll show you guys the finished product. I'm from Atlanta, you throw me the ball and I score in the zone. So this right here is the install for the very last one. Like I said, just a simple screw on and screw off, or screw off and screw on. That's the cap. These things are very pretty. Very good quality also. And they don't cost that much. Like I said, I put the link in the description below. I believe I paid less than $20 for these, and that's shipping and taxes included. So I'm very pleased with that. Give you guys another look. That's what it looks like on the tire valve cap. And while you're here, go ahead and follow your boy on Instagram, Twitter, as well as right now. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Got great content, and you're watching great content right now. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, stay locked in because I got some great content coming. Just signed my first paid partnership deal with Rich by Rick Ross hair care products. So got some good content coming for that. So got a lot of things going here. We're making some positive moves on the business side as well. So but if you're here for the M2 content, I got some content going on a drive here soon with some local BMW enthusiasts. So we're gonna be doing like a tour around Arizona. Got that coming up here real shortly. Gonna be making another video of that one. The last time we did it, had a great time. So I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, if you guys love cars, you love talking about finance as far as investment and stocks, if you like shoe reviews, got some shoe content coming in. Got a new pair of Jordans coming in, new Jordan 11s, black and reds. yeah, so got another shoe review coming soon. So if you guys like all that kind of stuff, then like I said before, hit that subscribe button for your boy and join the Rich Crew. I really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for tuning in, and y'all have a great day. Peace.
They hit me up for a deal like it's something I do on the phone. Just cause it's me in the studio don't mean I do it alone. Julio, 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 Julio Jones. I'm from Atlanta, you throw me the ball and I score in the zone.